A common design pattern when building web applications is to create a panel navigator that allows you to switch between different panel cards, and then on the various panel cards to have embedded components. So you can see we have a panel navigator here with 3 panel cards, and on panel card 2 we have an embedded UX component that we've set to delay render till visible. And the same thing is true for panel card 3. We've also got delay render till visible. So because these 2 embedded components are delayed, the component itself will load quickly because we're not going to load any of those child components yet. And then when we go to panel card number 2, you can see there's a delay while panel card 2 actually loads, and then the same thing is true of panel card 3. There's a delay while the embedded component loads. But maybe what we want is to be able to load the component quickly by delaying render on panel card 2 and panel card 3 until visible, but also preload those 2 components so that when you visit them, they are the components render instantaneously. So let's go back to design mode now and go to this first embedded component and turn on the pre-render feature, and then go to the second embedded component and also turn on the pre-render feature here. So this pre-render feature is only visible if delay render till visible is turned on. So now what I'm going to do is save the component, and we can see it still renders quickly, but when I go now to panel card number 2, there's no delay because it's all been rendered, and the same thing is true of panel card 3. So this pre-render property here allows you to pre-render the component so that when you finally visit this panel card, the component has already been loaded, so it displays instantaneously. But because the delayed render till visible is turned on, the whole component itself loads quickly because these 2 embedded components do not delay the initial render of the main component. Thanks very much for watching.